Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, my beautiful hot messes. My name is Mistress Lavender, also known as the Phenom Dictator, and welcome to my YouTube where I talk about things I want to talk about when I want to talk about them. Oh, you had an early burp. You're welcome. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this is my food channel, and I have some miso soup with my bento box. I think I'm going to post that bento box video on my main page. That was so satisfying to open. And look how nice this is. Oh, my skin looks heavenly right now. Do you guys see how gorgeous I look? But yeah, let's strip the panties off this bento box. It's dripping nice and wet. Okay, let me stop. Who do I think I am? Oh, it's gonna burst. It's gonna pop. Look at that. Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping. It's dripping. It's dripping. It's dripping. Oh, but oh, look at that. Amazing. Literally incredible. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Heavenly. 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 I wish I had a mic so you guys could hear me a bit better, but hopefully this works. Oh, yes. If you're ever sick or you have a sore throat, my lips look incredible. Oh my gosh, I look so good right now. Is this like a satisfying sound? I don't know. I don't know if it is, but it tastes delicious. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Okay, I could tilt it a bit more. My favorite thing about miso soup are these, like the little tofu. Let me go closer. Look at that. They're so good. Oh yeah, if you like mix it, so good. Wow. I'm so grateful I can eat this amazing food. And I'm so happy you guys are here with me. So good. Oh, yes. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. But yeah, let me know if you guys want. Let me know what you guys want me to eat more or drink more. Comment it down below. I know a lot of you guys are here for the burps, but if you guys want like more videos of me just like I don't know what I'm saying. The soup is just so good. Okay, last bite. Last slurp. I'm gonna do my thumbnail for this video. And then yeah, but thank you guys so much for joining. I appreciate you so much. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on. And yeah, drink some water, eat some food. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And if it's not, I'm happy you're alive with me at the end of the day. That's what you were here for. You're welcome. But yeah, my name is Mistress Lavender. Thank you so much for joining my page, and I'll talk to you guys later. Support the channel, and yeah, watch my videos every single day. And if you want to gift me anything or let me know, I accept DoorDash gift cards or Uber Eats, Grubhub. You can send it to my email down below. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.